Fix in 5. P0567. Cruise Control Resume Signal Malfunction, Cruise Control System Unable. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Cruise control will not resume to previously set speed, cruise control system becomes inoperative, resume button on steering wheel does not function, check engine light illuminated. Now the most likely causes. Defective cruise control switch assembly. Wiring fault in cruise control circuit. PCM, Powertrain Control Module, malfunction. Connector corrosion or loose connections. Software calibration issue. What does it cost? Roughly €40 to €120 doing it yourself, or €160 to €240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace cruise control switch assembly. Repair or replace damaged wiring in cruise control circuit. Clean corroded connectors or reseat connections. Update PCM software if required by manufacturer. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0567? Short trips may be possible with P0567 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium-severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0567. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.